Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as either going up to make a running flat wave C, which would likely go to the 123 to 100 Fibonacci extension, making a lower high, or possibly it's an expanding flat wave C, which I think is going to go up to the 161.8 to 178.6, which would end up making a higher high. Either scenario, not that important to know the difference yet. Either way should lead to a really big uptrend on these sort of time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame, I still think this is the end of a wave C right here. Most likely the end of a wave 2. This is the end of a wave 1. And I think this is likely a 1 of 3. I still think this is a WXY 2 of 3. And I still think this is likely to go up and make a wave 3 of that expanding or that wave 3 of the running flat wave C. So heading down to the daily time frame, ever since we had the Euro elections this week, the euro has been very, very weak. I am definitely still looking at this as most likely a wave 1. I still think this is likely going to go down and make a wave 2. And I still think there's a very good likelihood this is going to go up and make a wave 3, which I think is all subdivisions of a bigger wave 3 on like the weekly and monthly time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I think it's very clear that this is a 1, this is a 2, and that this is still probably all a wave 3. I think most likely we are already in the wave 4. I think that more likely than not, this is actually going to go sideways and kind of drift up towards this 38% Fibonacci retracement for like a wave 4. Wave 4 should be about the same size in the time scale as the wave 2 was, and that wave 2 lasted about 2 days, so I would expect this wave 4 to last roughly 2 days, which hopefully will line us up perfectly with all the dollar news that we have tomorrow on June 12th, and probably go down, make a wave 5, and then probably make a reversal, breaking structure, and hopefully continuing the uptrend, ending a wave 2, and continuing up for a wave 3. Most likely a wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, the trend is definitely down, so if you were looking for shorts, then that's good. But I do think that it is probably more likely that it will kind of drift sideways over the next 24 hours, maybe even make its way out to the 38%. Probably going to make a very overlapping pattern, which I would expect to be a wave 4. I would expect this to be a wave 3. I think tomorrow's CPI news is likely to cause this to go down and then make a wave 5. And then the interest rate news, which is a few hours later than the CPI news, is probably going to cause this to end at wave 5, go up and break structure, and hopefully continue the uptrend. I still think this is all a wave C, most likely a wave C of wave 2 on the much, much higher time frames, which is why when I do identify the end of this trend, which I think the trend is a wave C, that should be the end of a correction, and it should be the continuation of the uptrend. Until that happens, the trend is definitely still down on the 4 hour and daily, so you should probably be looking for shorts in a downtrend for now. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live trading sessions and all my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.